Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to collaborate with other TikTok creators using the duet feature. This is a fun way to interact with someone else's video by recording your own video alongside theirs. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Now find a video you'd like to duet with. It could be a trending video, a creator you follow, or just something you find interesting or entertaining. Once you've selected the video, tap on the share button, which looks like an arrow and is usually found on the right-hand side of the screen. A menu will pop up at the bottom with several options. You'll want to look for the duet icon. It's usually in the last row of icons. Tap on duet. Now your camera will open automatically and the original video will appear on one side of the screen, either left or top, depending on the format. On the other side, you'll see your own camera feed where you can record your part of the video. When you're ready, just tap the record button to start creating your duet. Once you're finished recording, TikTok will take you to a preview screen. Here you can make final edits, add captions, hashtags, or adjust the cover photo. When everything looks good, tap on Post to upload your duet video publicly or privately, depending on your settings. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.